The Ramsar Convention, widely recognized as the Convention on Wetlands, stands as a pivotal international treaty dedicated to the conservation and sustainable utilization of wetlands. Established in the year 1971 during a historic conference held in Ramsar, Iran, it entered into force in 1975, marking a significant milestone in global environmental efforts. This convention aims to champion the judicious use of wetlands, encompassing local, regional, and national actions, bolstered by international collaboration. The Ramsar Convention is essentially an intergovernmental treaty that serves as an overarching framework for the preservation and prudent management of wetlands and their invaluable resources. Its key objectives include the cessation of wetland loss, ensuring their preservation, promoting their wise use, designating wetlands of international significance as Ramsar sites, and fostering international cooperation for their conservation. The operational mechanism of the Ramsar Convention is multifaceted. Contracting parties, which are countries that have acceded to the convention, are obligated to designate at least one wetland as a Ramsar site, guaranteeing its effective management. Moreover, these parties are committed to the intentional and prudent utilization of all their wetlands through national land use planning, legislation, management activities, and educational initiatives aimed at public awareness. The convention also advocates for international cooperation on matters involving transboundary wetlands, shared wetland systems, and other wetland-related issues. The significance of the Ramsar Convention cannot be overstated. It remains the sole global treaty dedicated to a singular ecosystem, wetlands. This is of immense conservation importance, offering an international avenue for protecting sites recognized for their global significance. As of 2023, an impressive count of 172 nations have become contracting parties to the convention. There are currently over 2,060 wetlands designated as Ramsar sites, collectively covering an expansive area exceeding 197 million hectares. Focusing on the specific example of Pakistan, the country became a signatory to the convention on November 23, 1976. Since then, Pakistan has proudly designated 19 Ramsar sites, spanning an area of 1,343,807 hectares, equivalent to 3,320,620 acres. These designated sites form a crucial part of Pakistan's commitment to the Ramsar Convention and underscore the country's resolve to conserve and manage its wetland treasures wisely. In conclusion, the Ramsar Convention exemplifies a concerted global effort towards the conservation and sustainable use of wetlands. It embodies a collective commitment to nurturing one of the most crucial ecosystems on the planet, ensuring that they continue to thrive for generations to come. Through active participation, nations demonstrate not only an acknowledgement of their environmental responsibilities, but also their determination in shaping a sustainable future through cooperation and effective wetland management.